Hi everyone, welcome to Johnny Rowe Cooks. I'm Johnny Rowe and today we'll be making a very popular Korean dish called japchae. But today we're just going straight up veggies. We need some fiber in our diet so you can take better poops. Let's get started. We're gonna start off here by cutting our carrots. Pretty ugly carrots here that I got, and I need to cut these because that's all I had and I don't want to waste these, so let's get this done. Check out these knife skills.
As if.
I'm just gonna put my carrots on this plate here. Next, we're gonna work with some onions here. I'm gonna put in, what is this, a medium size? Let's use one of these. Here's your onion. I'm just gonna slice them thin like so. I'm just gonna add that to my little black plate of prepped veggies there. Okay, next we got red bell pepper. I'm gonna throw in maybe 3/4 of this guy. Okay, we're gonna use some shiitake mushrooms. I'm gonna put a lot of these. I'm just going to peel the stems off these mushrooms. Makes it easier to cut, and I'm just gonna slice these just like I sliced all the other veggies, just into little stripperoonies. Add that over. Sweet. Next up, we're gonna slice these green onions. Okay, here we go. Line them up. Just gonna cut them like so. Boom, boom. All right, everyone, good job. Let's move on and let's make the sauce now. We're gonna add 1/4 cup of sugar. Soy sauce, 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Here we go, 1/3 cup. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Lovely. Last thing you need in your sauce is garlic. So I'm gonna get 1 tablespoon of this pureed garlic. So if yours is not like really fine like this, I suggest you mince about 1.5 tablespoons worth of finely minced garlic and adding it in. Okay, so here's my 1 tablespoon of pureed garlic. There we go. I'm just gonna mix that all up now. Give that a nice mix. You can smell the garlic, soy, and sesame mixture. It's pretty great. Man, you could probably drink this and have a really bad stomachache. Sauce is done. Let's start cooking now. And let's get some oil in our pan. We're gonna start off by adding our carrots and our onions. Those will cook the slowest. They need a little bit more time. Red bell peppers are going in hot. Okay, let's add some mushrooms. Get all that aroma of the vegetables cooking right now. It is smelling good. Okay, we're gonna put that all back in after we have our noodles ready. Let's boil some water. Get our noodles all cooked up, and then we're gonna throw everything back into the wok and with the sauce, and you're done. That right there is some boiling water. So we're just gonna add our noodles now. Noodle time. Into the water. Okay, so it's 12:22 right there. Let's give it like 2 minutes. Ouch! Okay, let's take our stir-fried veggies here. Dump that all in. Okay, I'm rocking a medium-high heat right now. Take your noodles that you had, plop those in. If it ever wants to, oh, they're so sticky. Look at that. Okay, let's use this. All right, so these are super sticky, obviously. You need some sauce to break apart here. Okay, let's try to get these noodles out. Come on. All right, that needs some liquid right away. So I'm gonna now add our sauce. There we go. Let's add all of our spinach. Throw in our green onions. Oh, it smells so good. Let's give it a nice mix. With the sauce, the noodles are starting to break apart. Wow. Once the sauce is like evenly distributed throughout the noodles, like you get this nice brown color of the noodles, then you're pretty much done. Sesame seeds there. Now simply just enjoy it, eat it. Look at those colors. The veggies, the noodle, yumminess. Okay, here we go. That's so good. Shiitake mushroom action. I love mushrooms. Vegetables and noodles. Oh yeah. Okay, I got some plain sweet potato noodles for Lily. Let's see if she likes this. Lily, you wanna try? What do you think? Sticky, hey? Yo, if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.